Yeah, so I've been working on mobile wallet app, and I will start my report. Yeah, so overall, I worked on using Jetpack Compose, which is a modern approach towards the UI designing. And we are modernizing our wallet app, restructuring its code base and improving it, enhancing user experience due to Jetpack Compose. It has more fluid and fast UI experience, and improving maintainability of our code. So majorly, we are doing migration to Jetpack Compose from XML. So we have migrated all the screens now, and we have also done package restructuring and code cleanup. I will discuss these topics now. Yeah, so overall, 10 fragments, activities, and packages I worked on from migrating from XML to Compose. These are some of the screens like KYC, receipt, finance, etc. More different screens were there, and also while working on these screens, we also made sure that we are documenting the code so future developers may understand like why are we using certain code for what are we using. So this migration led to more proper UI, and like it looked more proper than XML UI. Uh, Next, we did package restructuring. In this package restructuring, we took all the different screens and we like divided them into different features, so we could import the features and we can use it in different way or make multiple uses of them. uh, Separation of concerns, of course, different feature for each screen. We would have like different feature which would be separated, uh, which would lead to more modular design. Next, we have code cleanup and refactoring, making sure code is proper. We are not using any improper code due to which there may be certain crashes, reducing technical depth, of course. So, using proper code language instead of using some shortcuts, which would lead to further crashes if we try to implement different new features. We made sure that our base right now, our current code base is properly organized and improved for testing purposes also. Next, I worked on navigation system. So we use types of navigation, and we used it for all the screens now. So we could use single activity architecture. Like there will be only one main activity and rest of it will be composed screens. So according to it, navigation has been modified. Challenges faced were, yeah, while migrating Compose, lot of crashes were being faced due to we have had to use Compose screens in XMLs also. So while doing that, lot of crashes were seen. Yeah, while code base restructuring, multiple circular dependencies errors were there. We had to fix that according to make some changes in some screens, some code according to that. And yeah, there were some navigation complexities, arguments. We had to make sure arguments were passed on properly. So seamless transitions will be there between different UI screens. These are the total contribution statistics, total commits, pull request merge till now. Yeah, that's it. And now, for now, we are working on bug fixing if there are any crashes right now. Also working on like moving our live data to coroutines, things like that, making sure data layer is working properly. And main thing is now we will be moving towards multi-platform. As of now, Pratyush is doing multi-platform basic implementation. We would be adding more multi-platform features soon. we'll be working on that. And also as of now, we are also working on Android client. We are completing its migration. So all our Android apps, Android client, Mifos mobile and mobile wallet will be come hand in hand together, and we could all work on multi-platform togetherly. Yeah, and thanks. That would be it.
Okay. Thank you, Aditya. That's a really thorough update. Glad to see all the progress that you and the others are making around the mobile wallet. And thank you, Rajan, for all of your leadership of our mobile interns.